What has happened in my dogs and everybody on Cars and Bids? My name is Madison and I'm the auction dog, and today I'm presenting to you my 1998 BMW M3. So, little backstory on the car. We picked this one up, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks ago for resale. It's got 69,500 miles on it, and it's in really, really nice shape front to back. Everything works, completely bone stock, in great shape, really decently new tires. We can check the date codes on them. 4922, so 49th week of 2022. And overall the car really, really does show well. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna hop in it now. It has sat here for a week, and we're gonna get in it now. For one, that does, I wanna say that's an aftermarket alarm, but I'm not entirely sure. I can't remember if that is or not. I do have the driver floor mat for this car at my house. Just kind of cleaning it up. There we go. That's a dead cold start. And it's been sitting here for weeks. And starts right up and cranks. So the interior of this car is actually incredibly clean. I mean, the seats are in great shape. It is missing those plastics on the top there around the seat belts on both sides. But other than that, that's really it that's missing in here. You know, everything else is in tip-top shape, and the car runs and drives phenomenally. 69,588 miles overall. Ice cold AC, hot heat, top works. We're gonna go through all that stuff here, but I just want to get it out of this parking lot and kind of bring it over to near a nice area where we can get a good look at it. Let's go this way. Oh yeah, car feels phenomenal. It really does through all the RPM ranges. I know that it's not necessarily everybody's favorite to buy an automatic convertible, but the people who do that enjoy them, or you know, this could be of use to them, would really enjoy this car. It's in phenomenal shape. True survivor E36 M3, and it would cost you a lot of money to get another car to look this good, you know. Radio does work.
To employee effectiveness.
So that all does work. Don't want to get copyrighted on YouTube with this. Pull up over here and we'll get a good look at everything. The top does work perfectly, but sometimes it does need a little help right on the back side of it, and I'll show you how here, or show you what I'm talking about here. Windows all go down, top goes up. It's usually right there. See how sometimes it gets a little hung up? I'll reach back, pop it like that, just to kind of get it to loosen up there. There you go. Perfect. And all the windows go back up. So, let's shut this off and we'll go take a little walk around here. The outside of the car overall is extremely clean. It really, really is. There is only one major scratch. There's one here, like a chip there next to the rear bumper. And then you got one over here as well. Missing some paint there. See the scratches there? I don't know what the hell somebody hit there or something. Or maybe something just came up and scratched that. But those are the only two issues with the body at all. The rest of it's extremely clean. There's no rust anywhere. All the body gaps are perfect. The VINs match on the fenders, hood, rear bumper, trunk, doors, and I want to say on the front bumper as well. So the car does have one accident reported on the Carfax, but all of the panels are original. So if anything, it was just a nose panel, something stupid, you know. But it really, really is a very complete car and a very original car. I do think that it's been repainted, just based on see the little bits of overspray there. None down there. Little bits in there. Just certain places. I think the car has been repainted at one point, but it's definitely been a long time, and this one's settled in for quite a bit. But overall, I mean, the car is it's a very clean, very honest car. All the wheels are in great shape. Look at that one. Tires are nice, Firestones. It did come with brake dust covers in the front like this. I haven't taken them out because it kept the wheels nice this long, you know what I'm saying? Might as well just leave them on there and keep them nice. That one's clean too. And this one's quite nice as well. And there's pictures of each of those individually there. These seats I sprayed down with conditioner maybe 2 weeks ago. And so they are a little, they do need another polish. It just kind of got done raining yesterday and I want to get this video shot. But you can see the overall, the leather is in phenomenal shape. The driver's seat does have a little bit of wear. Passenger seat's really clean. Driver's seat does have a small amount of wear over here. But typical with the bolsters, no major issues. You know, no major problems. Center armrest looks really clean too. And other than that, the interior is extremely nice. It really is. Just the car overall is just a very honest, very clean car. And you know, it's hard, you'd be hard pressed to find another one that's this nice, frankly. I did sell another car, and it was very odd actually. I found the exact same car, exact same spec last year. It had 65,000 miles and it was a 99. I literally had to check, I checked the VINs on both cars because I'm like, there's no way that I stumbled upon the same car again, and it wasn't. But this, it's just a really clean spec. You know, Tiag over black Napa, super clean. And the paint shows really well, the car shows really well overall. I just think that whoever does decide to take this thing home will be very pleased. Like, look at all the gaskets on the side skirts, around the lights. The gaskets are clean. Oh, I gotta call Corey. All right, sorry. Inside of there, super clean. Everything is just very well preserved with the whole car. Gaskets on the turn signals, everything's clean, which is crazy, you know? And I just think that whoever does decide to take this thing home, just know that you were getting a beautiful example of, like, almost 99 was the last year for the E36 M3. 98 was when they were obviously starting to wane it down, or like wind down in production. 99 was the last year of the E36, and all they made was convertibles that year. It was the first year the E46 was in 99, and they made sedans, and then the last year the M3 for the E36 was 99, and all they made was convertibles that year. So this car really is quite a nice survivor. Look at the door panels, dude. Door panels are clean. No peel down here. This side is peeling a little bit. See it down there? But there's no peel on the driver's side, which is insane, you know? Put the top up while I got you guys too. Oh yeah. She comes down. There you go. There you go. And then you keep holding the button, all the windows go back up. Which is really nice that all that stuff still works, obviously. You know, just the overall, like, look at the condition of the buttons. Everything's in super nice shape. No missing paint everywhere. Like, just a it's a very good example of what an E36 M3 looked like originally, you know? You'd spend a lot of money to try to get a car to look this clean. You do, with the purchase, I want to say I have 3 keys on here. Yeah, or no, 2 keys and 2 alarms. I do have all of the books in here as well, factory, as well as the factory flashlight that no longer does work, but it's there. I do not have any original service records with the car. No, I didn't get anything with it, unfortunately, but it is in good shape overall, and I would assume that it's been well taken care of and likely garage kept since new. So if you do decide to bid on the car, if you do have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below. I'm very responsive with any cars, bids, listings. I usually try to get back to everybody within, you know, a few hours, same business day kind of thing. If you are local to me, I am in like North Sarasota, Southern Bradenton, just south of Tampa Bay in Florida. And yeah, I'd be happy to show the car in person. If you guys want to come by and come take a look at it, take a test drive, I'd be more than happy to do that as well. And yeah, any questions, anything you'd like me to highlight additionally, any kind of additional pictures, anything like that, please feel free to put it down below. Drop a little comment down below and I'll get back with you guys and we can get you guys any information that you're looking for. You know, we do buy and sell a fair amount of BMW and just repair them. Like that's a Dynan 3 ZHP that I've been working on. This is a ZHP that is about to actually go on Cars and Bids here shortly if I don't find a buyer locally for it. Alpine white 4-door, automatic, 121,000 miles. So this car was luckily grabbed by me, a BMW guy, you know, and then brought back to a place that it's loved, cleaned up, curated, and now is being presented to you guys. So I personally do have an E36 M3 myself. I have an Estoril Blue Coupe, and I've bought and sold and driven hundreds of these things, you know. And so I wouldn't necessarily say that I'm the authority on them, but I definitely know enough about them to know when I'm looking at a good one, and this one's a really, really nice one. It is. So bid it up, bid with confidence, get her bought, and let's make it happen. So thank you, Cars and Bids, for letting me for allowing me to present another car to you guys. It is a no reserve auction, so pony up, buddy, and let it rip. Thank you guys for watching this far. Best of luck to you, and peace out, my dogs. Hope you have a great rest of your day.